What's up, guys? So a lot of you guys have noticed that Craigslist, is kind of cracking down. They're being tighter with IP addresses. They are, giving us problems on Facebook Marketplace, all this kind of stuff. And that's not a big deal. We get around it. We make new accounts. It's all fine. But I really wanted to talk to you guys about being, basically business owners, about making long-lasting and personable impressions on people so that way you guys can get repeat customers. Because in the end, guys, really, you should be building repeat customers. And there's kind of 3 steps to this. Number 1, guys, always be talking about your business. It shouldn't matter where you are or what you're doing. You should always tell people what you do. Like, what do you do for a living? Or, what do you do for a living, and then what do you do on the side? So I want to give a perfect example here, guys, on, this number 1 rule of the 3 things you should be doing to kind of build repeat customers and, longevity in your business. So I had this lady message me, and basically I didn't know where she had came from, but I always ask my customers, where did you hear about me from? And this is really important because if your customers keep saying, oh, I saw your sign in the yard, or oh, I saw your logo on your car, or oh, I saw your ad on Craigslist, if you guys keep getting customers saying the same exact thing, then you should probably keep doing that kind of advertising or multiply that kind of advertising. That way you guys get more business from that platform of advertising. So this customer actually came to me from word of mouth, and I said, let's see here. I said, just curious, who referred you to me, by the way? And she said, Riley Roycraft. She said she met you at a party or something. So kind of funny. Long story short, the person that referred her I hung out with quite a while ago. It wasn't really a party. We went to a bowling alley, had a few drinks, and there was a couple other people there. But the whole point is, guys, I was out having fun with some friends, met a couple new people, and I networked with them and told them that I flip smartphones and electronics. Now, I'm not saying you guys should go out and party and get, super tipsy and then make a fool of yourself and then talk about your business. No, if you're to that point or you're doing something foolish, don't market yourself. But try and always maintain a professional manner, guys, and market yourself to your potential customers. Business, guys, is all about networking. It's not about what you know all the time. It's about who you know. You see people working corporate jobs sometimes that are high school dropouts because they knew somebody and they have a certain skill set and they've proven themselves. So this person got referred to me by somebody that I hung out with once or twice. Obviously, I made a good impression on them, and they were interested to know that I bought and sold smartphones and electronics. So this lady ended up selling me 2 iPhone 6s 64 gigabytes for AT&T Unlocked, both in great condition, and I ended up paying, I think, like $250 for both phones, and I ended up selling them for around $250 each. So I made like $200, all because I made a personable impression on somebody that referred her to me. So it's pretty cool. So like I said, number 1, guys, always be talking about your business. And then number 2, guys, always ask your customers where they heard about you from. It's important. And then number 3, guys, if your customers are saying they heard about you from your Craigslist ad or your Facebook ad, or they heard about you from a friend, keep doing what you're doing and multiply it. So a lot of my customers seem to come from Craigslist, apps, and Facebook. So naturally, I try and do all 3 of them. But the biggest thing that I do, guys, is I always make sure I have business cards with me, and I always tell people to refer a friend and that I will send them a gift card in the mail if they refer a friend. So I actually put that here, I believe, just looking at the messages. I said I asked because I usually will send people a gift card in the mail. So I actually need to contact Riley because I bought 2 phones from this lady, and I'm going to send her a $10 gift card in the mail. It's not much, but it's a little appreciation gift from me that she referred somebody as a customer, and I closed a successful deal with her. So do those 3 things, guys, and you guys should be able to develop a good word of mouth reputation about your business and build longevity in your business. Because wouldn't it be nice if you didn't have to depend so much on Craigslist ads, Facebook ads, and, app ads on your phone? And that's kind of the point where my business is at right now. Like, if I don't post a ton of ads on Craigslist or Facebook or OfferUp, I notice that I still get messages coming into my Facebook and my phone because people kind of know around here, like, oh, that Luke guy, he's the guy that buys and sells smartphones and electronics. Go see him if you need fast cash. fair prices, he gives gift cards, and he's pretty reasonable to deal with. So like I said, guys, the number one biggest thing out of those 3 rules is just always be networking, guys. Always be displaying yourself in a professional and positive attitude manner, and just be talking to people about what you do and about your business. Don't be afraid and don't be shy. So I hope this video helps you guys, and hope some of you guys can build some long-lasting and repeat customers in your phone flipping business.